Greetings, fellow colleagues. Congratulations and welcome to Bay East. I am Sofyan Karim, Rookie of the Year 2017. I've been a realtor for about 2 years now. In my short journey, there is so much that I have learned with the help of Bay East. Things I wish I knew sooner. If I can share just one word of advice to anyone new in the industry, it would be to know your role as a realtor. Being a realtor is not just about selling homes. I have learned that we play a much bigger role in society. From the various avenues of government, politics, education, and charity, I have found a home in this organization. Every single realtor has the opportunity to empower themselves. It's easy. Go out, get involved, become integrated, own the industry. Bay East and its variety of committees have their arms open waiting for you. You won't regret it.